Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video is going to be e.l.f. Cosmetics haul. It's been a long time since I did a makeup haul and skincare haul from e.l.f. Cosmetics, so if you guys are interested for this kind of video, then just keep on watching. So for those of you new to my channel, my name is Princess and I do a lot of beauty content, particularly the haul or unboxing. And for today, it is going to be e.l.f. Cosmetics brand. I've got this stuff from their Labor Day sales event, so it's like kind of 60% off of some of the products that they have from their makeup and skincare line. So without any further ado, I'm going to show you guys the box. These are not like a lot, but I got some few stuff. So here it is. So first I have here, I have, like, show you guys right here, I have their eyeshadow palette. This is their the Earth and Ocean palette, and I'm going to show you guys how much is the regular price and then how much I got it. So I'm just gonna go put it here or maybe on the description box. This is their Earth and Ocean palette. I believe I've got the Opposite Attracts before, and then I decluttered that one. And then I do have the other one, which is the natural, like the neutrals. So I have the blues and greens now, and as you guys know, I love greens and blues. I'm trying to do a lot of makeup look using blue shades or blue eyeshadows, but it's been a long time since I did use a blue eyeshadow, so why not? So I'm going to swatch a little bit of this and see how they are. But for this kind of eyeshadow palettes in their line, I like the formula in this palette. So here it is, and I'm going to swatch some of the underwater drip, and then I'm going to grab the green ones. So the blue ones first, and then right there, and then the green ones. So the first three are already like metallic or shimmers, and then the last one, it is matte. So nice. I like it. And then just gonna clean up. Then the next one I have here is this the Stay All Night Microfine Setting Mist, and it says here it is up to 16-hour wear, and I believe this is like $10 or $12 regular price, and then I've got it like around $4 or $4. And I've been wanting to try this one ever since it came out, but it's always like sold out, and I'm kind of in doubt to buy it because of I still have the blotting matte setting mist, and when I saw this one, it is on sale, I grabbed the opportunity to try it out. I believe this is like kind of a dupe for the Urban Decay Naked Setting Mist, something like that. So I really like to try this one. And then the next one, I don't know what it is, but it's in the box. Oh, it is the Ultimate Blending Brush. I believe this is kind of oh, I don't have them here, but I do have the blending brush before. I always buy those because I use them as a blush applicator or a powder or like contour or especially like bronzing. I use that one everywhere, but mostly it's on blush. And then I've got this sculpting face brush. So this one, it is kind of for contouring, I guess. So I do have one here, but it's not like this shape. I do have here like this, so it's like more slanting like this or like that. I've got this one from Shop Miss A, but this one is like more affordable. This is like $1 something. This one, it is, I don't know how much it's this in regular price. I believe it's like $6 to $8. And then the next, I'm gonna show you guys the blending brush. It's like this, so it's really nice and they are really soft. When they first came out of this brushes, I really love them, so I only buy this one, 2 of this, and then there's another one which is like kind of this kind of brush, but it's like a kabuki one. And those are the only ones that I buy on their brushes because they're kind of expensive, but they really last a long time. I believe the ones that I bought is like when they're like 2016, 2015, 2016, and I still have them. And then the next one here, I believe these are all skincare now. I do have this super clarified cleanser with niacinamide, and it does have 3.4 fluid ounces or 100 ml. And I believe this is like kind of more of a jelly like. Yeah, I am going to do a skincare reviews on this ones because I believe I've got more of them here. And then I've got this Elf Cosmetics Happy Hydration Cream where they have the derived cannabis sativa seed oil. This is the nourishing face cream or a moisturizer cream. I've got the kind of affordable pack. It's like 4 of them in $15. And then I think it's like a sample size, but it lasted me a long time and I wanted to buy the full size, and luckily this one it is on sale, so I grabbed it, the opportunity to buy this and have it with me again because I love this this kind of their line. And then oh, I have another for makeup. I forgot about this because it's too tiny. So this is their ultra precise brow pencil, and this is the neutral brown. I hope this is like kind of the same or exact shade for me because I love their the regular pencil, eyebrow pencil, which is like I do have the dark brown, and that one is already like $3. It used to be $2 and then now it's not $3, but this one is like kind of used to be $5 and now it's like $6. So, and plus this one's really precise, so it's tiny compared to the other one. Yep, this one's gonna be great because I'm trying to finish some of my brow pencils, and I always finish all of this brow pencil in my collection because I always use them a lot. And then let me see how many more I have here. Okay, last 3. So I have this super brighten peel pads with brightening with alpha hydroxy acid or AHA. So this is how it looks like, and I believe these are like a single pads that you can put it on your face. You don't need to use cotton balls or cotton pads. I was like trying to buy the liquid version and then with this one, but I'm like, hopefully they are the same one. Usually I really like their the other toner. I'm going to show it here. I like that one better. So this is how it looks like. So yeah, they are a single like cotton pad. It's like kind of lemony. So I cannot wait to try this one in front of you guys, like kind of first impression of this. I believe these are like kind of old skincare line. They have this one, the pads, the toner, this one, and they have the other face mask, and there's another one which is the kind of purple. I think that is their moisturizing cream, but they are sold out, so I just grabbed some other stuff. And then lastly, I do have this free stuff. I believe this is their new skincare products. These are the Blemish Breakthrough Acne Calming Water Cream, and I do have the Triple Acid Resurfacing Serum. So it says here it does have 8.5% triple acid 8.5 triple acid complex plus 10% niacinamide, and this one is a cleanser. No, is this a cleanser? This is what? Water cream. So it is a toner. Let's see. Because I believe, what is this? Oh, it's not a cleanser. It's a cream. It's a cream. So it is like acne calming water cream. For me. I'm so stupid. It says cream. I thought this is a cleanser. So it is a moisturizing cream, and then I've got the serum, which is really tiny, and I believe they have regular size in this one, and they have the value set, which is like 15 bucks. If you guys wanted to try their skincare products, they have the value set, which is like 15 bucks. That's how I tried the this one, because they have the four products. I believe they have the two regular size. I have the buff primer and the other lip balm, and then I've got the small size of this, and I believe it is like kind of serum, face oil serum. So they are really nice. And if you sometimes they do have this value set in TJ Maxx or Marshalls. If you see them there, try to buy them over there because they are much cheaper. I believe there's like around 8 bucks, 9 bucks, or less than that. So yeah, they're really nice if you really wanted to try their skincare products. Also, whenever you try a new skincare products, try to test them out in your arms first, because sometimes their skincare products have a little bit of scent or fragrance. So I think that's it for you guys. I hope you guys like this video. Please give this a thumbs up and see you on my next video. Bye.